Are you getting annoyed by the Name Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. I've linked the primary utility for Name Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Name Library, a native Windows library used for resolving localized display names of objects within the OS, particularly for network identities and account formatting. While rare for it to go missing, its corruption can cause issues with how usernames or network paths are displayed in File Explorer, sometimes leading to permission-denied errors. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Name is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Name Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Name Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If Name Library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Name Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.